Good morning, guys! Sabado. Si Dan nagtitingin ng mga ticket, NBA ticket. Kasi lumabas na yung mga ticket, guys. Gusto niya manood ng basketball sa US. Magme-makeup ako pero iniisip ko, susuotin ko ba talaga to? Kasi kapag nag-makeup na ako, ang hirap na ito. Ang hirap niya, tanggalin na. So, okay lang ba to? Ito yung suot ko, guys. Punta kami Futi maya. So, yeah. Si Dan naalis yan muna. Punta siya ng... Tauban na naman. Naka-brief lang. Punta ng Kohl's. Tapos, kukunin niya din yung package ko. And then, pupunta dito yung best friend niya mga 1:30. So, sana makapag-film kami before siya dumating. So, makeup lang tayo, guys. Ito na lang yung susutin ko, no? Kasi I will wear a jacket naman over this. Maganda yung kulay nito. This is from Naked. N-A-K-D. Yan siya, guys. Tapos, meron siyang pockets dito. And then, I'll just wear a coat over this. Yeah, okay na siguro to, eh. Nagpalit ako, guys, before ako nag-makeup. So, ito lang yung susutin ko. Tapos, I will wear a denim jacket over it. Gaya nung sinuot ko kahapon. So, yeah. Si Dan, sobrang saya niya. So, puntahan natin si Dan before tayo mag-makeup. Kasi hindi pa naliligo, eh. Tapos, pupunta pa to ng Kohl's. Why are you so happy?
I've been waiting for this NBA roster to come out for a while now. It's just come out.
And what else are we doing?
UFC. 2 NBA games and UFC.
2 NBA games? So in New York and LA?
Yeah.
And where's UFC?
New York.
Why don't you have pants on?
Because you ripped them off in passion last night.
Oh, shut up. May kasalanan yun sa akin, eh. I told them you did something that upset me last night.
Thank you, man. Now I look bad.
He said something stupid.
I did. I was mean.
He was stupid.
I was mean, I'll admit it. I was an asshole.
You're an asshole.
I was an asshole.
You're an asshole. Ito yung sobrang hinihintay niya, guys. Yung lumabas yung NBA ng mga tickets. Kasi hindi namin makumpleto yung plano. Hindi niya makumpleto yung plano hanggat wala yung mga tickets na yun. I think we still have to book 1 flight. Pero ano lang siya, interstate lang siya sa US. Lahat ng international flight na book na namin. So, papunta doon, pabalik. Book na siya lahat. Ito na lang. Tapos, I think, how many accommodations do we have to book?
I'll do that this weekend as well, look into it. Or next week.
How many accommodations do we have to book though?
LA, New York, LA and San Francisco still. So
LA at saka San Fran na lang yung kulang namin. Thank you nga pala, guys, babe. Do you know that like a lot of people offered their homes to us? Thank you, guys. As in, sobrang thank you. Pero nakakahiya, nakakahiya talaga. Lalo na ang dami namin planong gawin. Parang nakakahiya na makitulog sa bahay. Tapos magliwaliw kami. Parang hindi kaya ng konsensya. Pero sobrang salamat sa mga nag-offer. As in, kahit hindi nyo kami kilala, grabe. Nakakatuwa na kahit wala kaming pamilya dyan. Nakaka-receive ako ng message sa Instagram, nakakapanood ko lang ng vlog mo kung gusto nyo ng mastayhan na bahay sa sa New York, ganun. Sabi ko, iba kayo, grabe. As in, sa Times Square ata kami magsistay. Times Square, right, babe, in New York? Yeah, so dun kami magsistay. Guys, may pa kami punta ng Futi. Punta lang kami, labas lang kami. Hindi sana ako sasama sa kanya. Kasi sabi niya, sige, alis ako, tapos you get ready. Para pagdating ko, ready na lahat. Ready na ako lahat. Siya, na-stuck siya sa kanyang planning. Anyway, pakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung aking outfit. So, ito na yung susuotin ko mamaya. I'm wearing let's start from the shoes, Converse, yan. And then jeggings, just black jeggings. I'm wearing three layers of clothes. So, underneath, I have this Kmart jumper, Kmart or Target. And then this is, I think, from Zaful or... Hindi ko na matandaan, basta online. And this is from So Aesthetic. And I will wear the 4-hour scarf later. And then a beanie as well, maya. Pag sobrang lamig na. And my bag, again, from Zaful. Crossbody bag. Bag. Okay, that's it. Hubby's outfit.
Let's go.
Favorite outfit from Mang Conor. Let's go. Calls tayo, guys. Sandali lang tayo dito. Do you have your list?
Fine.
Okay. naghahanap si Dan ng pang ano niya, pangtanggal ng buhok ng kanyang katawan.
That's shave gel, isn't it? Yeah.
I don't know. Hindi naman ako gumagamit naman. I think that's the one, cream. And that's, I think we've used this one before, babe.
It wasn't right, it wasn't.
I don't think it was, no. I think this one is a good brand. Ne? Face and body. And there's here, oh, Veet. Veet is good as well, babe. Oh, hair removal cream.
This one's good, babe.
This one's in shower, oh. Veet is a good brand, babe.
Nah, this is better.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm having that.
Okay.
It's not that much hair.
Half price yung, hala, babe. May mga ay, oh, look. Ano ka ba? Half price siya, guys.
No.
Rice is life. Half price yung ano. Kaya lang hindi maganda yung sunrise, guys. Yan. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan. So, dun tayo sa jasmine rice.
That's raspberry. That's half. Oh, but that's brown.
Reduced to clear.
That's brown.
Hala, no, that's sunrise as well. Oh no, sunrise din pala. Sunrise din pala yung
That's
brand.
the last one, maybe.
Pero yung medium grain, hindi
That's
maganda.
brown though. But that's alright, we'll just do that one.
Yeah.
We need
Mas maganda yung jasmine kaysa sa medium grain. What else?
one thing, but you can't tell me off.
Chocolate?
A little bit of chocolate. For today, for everyone.
What?
For everyone. Oh, babe, watch out. There's
What?
gonna be run over.
Sorry. Tapos na kami, guys, sa Kohl's. Dala-dala ko yung rice. Si Dan yung may dala ng ano, ibang aloy. Kawawa naman yung car natin. Uy, naka-tape. Tingnan nyo, guys, naka-tape siya. Oopsie. Wait. Guys, we spent $44 sa Kohl's. So, nakakuha na naman kami nung little shopping churba eklabu. So, ano siya, guys? Box siya sa ilalim. Box. Open natin. What do you think it is,
I'm
babe?
not sure.
Not sure?
Not sure.
Right. I don't think you like it.
I won't like it, I can tell.
I don't like it. Wait.
Oh, Weet-Bix, that's alright.
Is that good?
Yeah, Weet-Bix is good. It's like an iconic.
Weet-Bix.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Ano siya, guys? Is it cereal?
Cereal, yeah, it's like a real Australian cereal.
Okay.
It's actually cute. I actually don't mind that. It's better than, I thought it was going to be like washing powder or something like that. I'll take that.
I'll actually take a washing powder over this. Meron siyang lamang styrofoam. Thank you, guys.
Is it styrofoam?
Yeah, it's just
really?
styrofoam. Yeah. Styrofoam in the inside.
Yeah.
To keep the box shape. Alright, don't forget to grab the package.
That's not a bad one, actually.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. $44 yung spend namin.
$44 we get a box.
Exactly right. Alam, may tumatawag. Grabe. Ang dami tumatawag sa kanya. Sabado.
Who are these people calling?
I know. That's just what I said.
Weekend.
You received how many calls already today? Hindi ba kayo nagpapahinga? Right?
I know.
Yeah. Nakalimutan niya dumaan sa post office kanina. Papunta kami sa calls kasi nga may tumawag sa kanya, parang nawala sa isip niya. Pero okay lang, on the way naman siya. So, guys, dalawang ganito na yung na-receive ko. So, nagli-leave sila ng note kapag wala ka sa bahay para i-pick up mo yung package mo sa post office. Eh, yung pangalan, sabi customer's name, Chinese yung pangalan niya, guys. Now, hindi ko alam kung Chinese ba sila or basta Asian yung pangalan niya. And sabi namin ni Dan, hindi ko naman pangalan to, hindi din pangalan ni Dan. So, yung isang note, nilagay ni Dan sa bahay, sa katabi naming bahay, kasi ano lang eh, parang letter lang yung magkaiba. Like, same talaga yung address, letter lang yung magkaiba. Like, for example, 1A, 1B. So, yun lang yung magkaiba sa amin. Nag-knock siya ng door doon, and wala namang sumagot. So, iniwan lang niya sa, sa front door yung package. Ay, ito, yung note. Tapos kinabukasan, naka-receive na naman kami. Same pangalan. So, sabi ko, babe, baka akin talaga yan. So, chinek ko yung mga hinihintay ko. And meron, guys, same talaga yung, ang tawag dito, tracking number. So, akin pala to. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ibang pangalan yung nilagay nila. Uy, wag kang mag-reverse kuya ha. Nandito kami. May dent na yung likod namin. Wag mong i-dent yung harap namin. Ay, naku babe. So sana hindi tayo magka-problema na kunin to. Kasi hindi ko pangalan eh. Pero address ko naman. So address namin. Nakuha na namin yung package guys. Dalawa. Ito maliit na box. Tapos merong malaking box sa likod. Nahirapan tuloy si ate maghanap. Kasi nga yung ano, yung pangalan, customer name, ano siya? Hindi ko pangalan, Chinese nga. So yung nilagay na pala nila sa card is yung sender. Eh, galing to sa, hindi ko alam kung saan galing. Basta doon sa Asia. And yun yung nilagay niya. Imbis na pangalan ko yung ilagay sa ano customer, yung nilagay nila is yung sender name. Quick haul tayo guys. Tapos after nito magpa-film kami. Bumili ako ng ano, Australian soup bones. Ano guys, beef. Yan, magkakaldereta ako. Itatry ko. Hindi pa ako nakakaldereta. Kasi meron ako ng packet, parang kaldereta mix, kaldereta sauce. So gusto ko siya itry. So I got that. And then, hindi ko alam kung kailan. Potato. Hindi ko alam kung, parang ilalagay ko ata to sa kaldereta. Mayroon bang gano'n yung kaldereta? Hindi ko alam. Parang buo. I got this. Babaunin ko sa footy mamaya. So, sana hindi ko ito makalimutan. And then, si Dan din bumili nito. Babaunin niya din sa sa footy. So, extra shot na real coffee ice break. This was on sale. Saan ba to? Real coffee? Yeah. Kasi ang mahal ng pagkain dun sa footy. Pero kapag nandun ka na, okay lang. Pero like now, na pumunta kami ng Coles, tapos punta kami footy mamaya. So might as well like, you know, buy drinks. Pero kapag nandun ka na sa Oval, wala ka ng choice. Kundi bumili ng mga binibenta nila doon na mamahal. I got the baby wipes. Ito yung ginagamit ko pang TMI. Kapag nagpupupo ka, kasi wala namang tabo dito. Tapos feeling ko yung toilet paper hindi nakakalinis ang maayos. Parang buang. Bell pepper. Para sa kaldereta natin. And then I got more garlic. Kasi last time yung garlic na binili namin, ano lang, isa lang. And then Canada Dry. Isa to sa mga go-to na drinks ko nung nasa US pa ako, guys. And I saw it there. It's ginger ale. So, yeah. Hindi ko to dadalhin sa footy. Ito sana yung dadalhin ko. Kaya lang hindi namin sure kung pwede magdala nung can. I don't think pwede. And then, yung hair removal cream na Dan. We got the Nair. Kasi, yeah, parang tatanggalan ata ako siya ng buhok sa katawan niya bukas ata. Wala na kaming time ngayon. And, yun lang. Tsaka yung ating Weet-Bix na cereal. So, meron na tayong dalawa. Bolognese sauce at saka yan. And, yun na lahat. So, I just need all those in the fridge and then we can start filming. How's your planning going?
Good.
Sobrang na-excite siya magplano, guys. So, sabi ko, uy, hindi na sana siya titigil magplano kanina. Sabi ko, uy, maligo ka na. Kanina ka pa dyan, nakaupo sa plano-plano mo. Oh, napakita ko ba? Croissant. Para sa breakfast natin. With our coffee. Okay. Mag-film kami, guys, ng taste test. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung una makikita nyo yung taste test or itong vlog na to. Pero, itatry ni Dan yung mga Filipino snacks. Wala, I still have chicken. Oh no!
When's that go off? When did you buy that?
The last time we went grocery shopping. Last week? Was it last week? Is it off now?
Yeah, it's somewhere.
Okay, that's alright. That's cheap anyway. Kalimutan ko.
Because you won't eat it today, you won't eat it tomorrow.
Yeah, alright. Let's film. Guys! Ice! Tingnan nyo, ice! Oh my gosh! Wait, na-excite ako, guys. Ice siya, guys.
It's big. Where's the copies? That's big.
Guys. Hala. Tingnan nyo yung ano. See? Oh my gosh. Ah! My gosh, ang lamig. Grabe! Bilog! Wow, look.
Look at it.
Mga bilog, guys. Wow, ulan.
I've got to put the car in because it can dent your car.
Yeah? It can dent your car? Wow.
If it gets like bigger than that, it's like not sitting it, then the insurance doesn't like it, so
okay.
that's a quickly rush to do.
Ang lamig guys, grabe. That was cool, babe.
Have you seen that before?
No. I've seen snow, but not that.
No, that's not time of year.
Wow, that's cool. That's really cool.
That was big, that kind of quick as well.
I know! That was so cool. My gosh, ang lamig. Naka-shorts ako kasi nag-try-on haul kami. Kita nyo ba? Yun yun. Oh gosh. Okay, let's go. Hala! It's happening again! Maliliit na siya ngayon, pero oh my gosh, that looks really nice. It's cool. Guys, kakain ako ng rice kasi di pa ako kumakain. Nag-coffee lang ako. And maya-maya darating na dito yung best friend ni Dan. Kain ko lang yung niluto ko kagabi, leftover na adobong sitaw, yung may pork at saka may sitaw. Yun. Konti lang yung natira kasi kain pa more si Dan. Nagtira ako ng konti. Sabi ko, magtira tayo ng konti para sa akin kasi yun yung kakainin ko bukas. Kasi diba hindi ako nagbe-breakfast. So, kainin ko lang to. Naka-film kami dalawa ni Dan ng dalawang videos. So, hindi na kami kailangan mag-film tomorrow so I can finally get my nails done tomorrow. Akala ko kasi I'll get it done mga Thursday pa kasi meron silang late night. Pero kailangan na talaga guys kasi sobrang haba na niya. Oh. To sobrang haba na din talaga ng nails na it becomes annoying na kapag you do stuff kasi it gets in the way. So, I'll get it done first thing tomorrow. They will open at 11. Tapos we have Pete's birthday party. He's gonna turn 60, babe?
Older.
No. Older?
63, 64.
Ah, okay. Birthday ng stepdad niya bukas. So, punta kami dun. And yeah. But I'll get my nails done first. So yeah, finally. Sobrang tagal nito. Over a month na to. And usually I do it every month. And sobrang na-busy kami. So over a month na siya. Anyway, kain muna. Kain tayo guys.
Come on, sit down. My birthday present.
What?
I worked it out. We're going to be in LA. I'm guessing between the 9th and 13th of November.
Yep.
Okay, 9th and 13th. So... 9th. So there's only...
What happened to your finger?
I cut it the other day at work. So 11th for the 11th, LA Lakers are playing Atlanta Hawks.
This is way after your birthday, babe.
Yeah, but this
is even after your birthday.
Don't get me anything. I don't want anything. Did I get you anything? What did I do? When's your birthday?
October, you dumb ish.
Yeah, well,
we will be there.
We'll be there. I haven't got you anything yet either, so that's alright.
We're not getting anything for each other.
Deal. But this is fine.
That's fine. It doesn't have to be a birthday
So
party.
this is tickets for the game, Lakers game.
Yep.
Look how close it is.
Okay.
They're like, so I went onto this website. This is where, this is how much they cost. Like this is all the, like you know, 135. Like this is US dollars, 300. Yeah. Anyway, so I'll go best value. And this one here, baseline, 2 tickets left. It'll be about 300 Australian per ticket. But it's like, it'd be good. It'd be like once in a lifetime. Look how close that is.
It is close, yeah.
That is so cool.
Yeah, sure.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, babe. Mwah. Just buy
Why
those.
are you asking me?
Because it's our holiday, so we have to agree on some stuff.
Unti-unti na nagbo-bloom yung guys, tulips or tulips. Yung rose, paano na siya, parang patay na yung rose, pero yung tulips, papunta pa lang siya guys. Ang ganda. Babe, look at the flowers. The tulips is not even there, and then the roses are dying now. Yeah, so tulips are good. Are you excited? Dito na kami guys. Lamig.
And I brought some
You got food. May food na naman siya. Bahay na kami guys. Natalo kami. Ito yung suot ko guys. Diba, denim jacket ako kanina. Hindi kinaya ng weather. Sobrang lamig talaga. Yung pala, yung bola-bola. Yung parang snow, hailstorm pala yun. Sinabi siya actually sa akin ni Dan, pero hindi ko naintindihan. Pero maraming nag-message sa akin sa Instagram na, hailstorm, ganun. So, yeah. Anyway, hi. Base lang tayo, tapos tanggalin natin yung makeup natin, guys. Tapos edit ng thumbnail. Mask time tayo, guys. Pili na naman tayo ng yung maraming mask. Bawasan natin. Yung nasa likod, ilan? 2, 4, 5. Wait, 5. Parang 5 yung pinakamarami. Okay. Ito yung gamitin natin, guys. Ang cute nito. White Flower Mask Pack. This is from Wang Skin. Whitening and anti-wrinkle. Yan. How's the planning?
Good, my love.
Good.
We've booked basketball tickets, NFL tickets, hockey tickets.
Nice.
Book of Mormon on Broadway.
Yes.
So it's all good.
What do we have to do next? What do you have to do next?
I've got to book accommodation in LA and San Francisco.
Okay.
And we've got more events to book, but I'm not booking them tonight. We've got plenty of time for that. The important ones are all done.
Good job.
True.
Good job.
We've got to know where to stay in LA. That's the hard thing.
LA, yeah.
I don't know. Where
You'll do your research.
I guess I will.
And I'm editing a video. Ito yung ano, well, this is already up by the time you're watching this, guys. But ito yung dinay niya yung buhok ko. Gustong-gusto niya yan, guys, yung mga nag-organize ng trip. So, siya na bahala dyan. I will do what I need to do. And siya na bahala mag-organize. Right, babe? I told them you love doing this.
When you make the money, I'll spend it.
Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, babe.